This is the unit test of chapter 2. Okay, first question 1C. You see here. Okay, I'll use this rule. If there's something with the same power, can make it to group and then multiply or division. Okay, so this one I can make it to, because they're same index, the base can be multiplied. These are the same index, the base can be multiplied and with 30x over 6x, and because again their index are the same, it will be like this. Okay, so this is interesting and seldomly asked, but it makes use of the reverse of this to this. Okay, this one 3a, factorize these two terms. Okay, so you x y, okay, and x squared plus y squared. Nothing special here, but part B is use part A, so I would go through with you. You have to group two terms and group these two terms. So be x cubed y plus xy cubed minus 9x squared plus 9y squared is a plus. And you can use part A to help you, xy x squared plus y squared, and take out 9 as common factor. And then you will have a common factor, x squared plus y squared, and then other bracket xy minus 9, and then close bracket. And for question 4, you want to expand, still want to factorize, not expand. Okay, so you need to take note. Okay, this is have m, this have m. You can take m, and it will 4m minus 3n. And these have two factors. They are the same factor, so I put it together like this. So these are the same factor, I can take out. And other will be 4m minus 3n minus m, and it will be 4m minus 3n, and the other bracket will be 3m minus 3n. So I can take out a 3, and this will be more nice. Take out 3. Okay. For number 5, consider the polynomials. Which of the following is not true? Coefficient of the x term is -2. So you can see the coefficient of the x term here is -2, correct? The degree of polynomial is 2. This term degree is 2, this term degree is 0, this term degree is 1. So the highest degree is 2, so it's correct. The constant term is -5, so it's not correct. The polynomial have 3 terms, 1, 2, 3, correct? Number 6. Which of the following polynomials give sum of this when added to this one? Okay, so that means 4a cubed minus 2a squared minus a minus 1 plus a thing will be equal to 3a cubed minus 3a squared plus a minus 3. That means if I want to find what is star, and I can use this one minus this term. Okay, so star will be 3a cubed minus 4a squared plus a minus 3 minus 4a cubed plus 2a squared. You need to reverse the side, plus a plus 1, because you want to minus the whole thing. Okay, so be negative a cubed minus plus a squared plus 2a minus 2. Number 7, okay, is the same as this question. They have the same index, okay, but not the same base. So if same index, you can use the rule. Okay, usually use this rule to convert the left hand side. Now you use back, okay, the reverse way. And this one, factor. This one, do we have the factor a minus b? So you can take out negative. Okay, a plus b, so no this factor. This one you can tell x, so b minus a, and you can tell a negative, so be negative x, a minus b, so you have factor. Okay, and this one you can take out these two terms to see it will be b minus a, okay, and then plus a, and then a minus b, and this two term is for this two term. Okay, I'm too fast I think, so I write one more step for you. Okay, and this is not the same, you need to change to here, and then you can take out a common factor to c minus a. So this will have a minus b as factor. A minus b will take a negative, so it will be a minus 2c, so it will be also good. Okay, 2 and 3. Okay, lastly I want you to listen to these pages. Okay, and two examples for you. Okay, 23 times 27, you just multiply 3 and 7, 21, and then 2 into plus 1 times 2. Why can we do that? Okay, we let two numbers. One is, for example, 23, one is 27. So A will be 2, B will be 3. So 23 and 27. 27. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay? So 23 plus 27. And if you multiply together, you will have the following four terms. And these two terms can combine and take out 10a, and b plus c is 10. Okay? So it will be 10, and then you can still factorize these two terms, and it will become something like this. Not factorized in the final stage, but in this way you can see you have a b plus b times c. Okay, that means you just multiply these two, and a times a plus 1. A times a, and then plus 1 is 3 times 2, and then times 100. So it becomes this unit, this digit. Okay, so it will be just multiply these two, and then you add 1, and then multiply this digit 12. The same.